Magandang buhay mga suki. Ito ngayon ang aking vlog for today. Ayan, meron dumating na Shopee. Mag-unboxing tayo ngayon. Kaya samahan niyo ako mga suki. Buksan na natin. Titingnan natin mga suki kung maganda nga ba nga ito. Hindi ba tayo nabudol? Ang natin gamitan na ng gunting dahil matatagalan tayo magbukas. Yan, hilahin na lang natin. Duputin na lang natin siya. Yan. Yan, umorder ako mga suki. Yan, titikman natin kung talagang masarap ba ito. Yan, bali apat na klase ang aking in-order. Yan, yan, gusto ko dito matikman ay itong try natin itong ano ito, matcha, triangle matcha cake. Yan, try natin ito kung masarap.
So many ways to keep your head in the sand.
Yan, tikman natin mga suki. Ito yung una kong titikman, itong triangle matcha cake. Titikman ko ito, kaya ito yung aking order. Ito yung viral na Ranli, Chiffon, Mamon cake. Grabe ang pagkabalot. Yan, tikman natin mga suki.
So much time is passing on by. Living with love is the meaning of life. Stop giving in to the feeling that's living inside.
Grabe ang lambot to. Ang sarap niyo mga suki.
One day you'll rest your head from one final time. You'll feel the fear before you say your goodbye. This life is precious, don't waste it on anyone else.
Yan, natikman na natin. Hindi natin uubusin. Bukas naman ititira natin yung kalahati. Yan, para matikman natin lang. Ito naman yung ating susunod. Yan, latte flavor cake. Nakalagay naman pala siya dito sa likod. Yan, may nakalagay siyang latte cake. Latte flavor cake. Yan, tikman natin ito. Laki. May kasama pa siya ngayon.
Just like the scripture in a hotel drawer, I just don't know what good my faith is for. My train of thought ain't making all of the stops.
Sarap.
Not sell up, but no one wants what I've got.
Totoo palang masarap siya.
What's in a word if no one feels any blame? Who gives a shit if no one feels any shame? You know the sun won't rise in everyone's sky. Stars can't dance until you open your eyes.
Sarap ng pagkagawa.
There ain't no way that you can please all your friends, and all good things will always come to an end.
Yan, tirahan natin.
Just take a break and play the game with the cards you've been dealt.
Yan, ito naman yung sliced bread nila. Yan, cute.
So many ways to keep your head in the sand. Some little hope that you can hold in your hand. And only time will tell just what you can do. Why waste one thought on what they think of you? There ain't no way that you can win every fight. Shut down the voices and turn out the light. Put every worry in the bottle sitting up on the shelf. It'd be good to yourself.
Kulang pala man, sarap.
So much time is passing on by. Living with love is the meaning of life. Stop giving in to the feeling that's living inside.
Sarap.
One day you'll rest your head from one final time. You'll feel the fear before you say your goodbye. Life is precious, don't waste it on anyone else.
Yan, tira natin ito bukas naman.
Yeah, be good to
Ito naman,
yourself.
tikman natin yung ang tawag dito ay yung tiger skin ang
Be
tawag.
good to yourself.
Tikman natin. Ay, grabe, sarap. Kaya pala nagbabiral siya, sarap. Lahat masarap.
Just like the scripture in a hotel drawer. I just don't know what good my faith is for. My train of thought ain't making all of the stops. That's enough, but no one wants what I've got.
Ay, maubos ko na. Bukas naman ito.
What's in a word if no
Garado
one
ko gusto
feels
ito bukas.
any blame?
Ayan, try nyo mga
Gives a
suki.
shit if no one feels
Sobrang
any
sarap pala
shame.
siya. Hindi pala
You
siya
know
buko.
the sun won't rise in
Totoong
everyone's
napakasarap
sky.
niya.
Stars can't dance until you open your eyes.
Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. God bless po. Bye-bye. Ingat po kayo. Try nyo na mga suki. Hindi siya bulog. Masarap po talaga.
Just take a break.